Here is Ron about to open up a spot for the air conditioner.
Oh.
Maybe.
It's a testament to
Testament to tape?
yeah, tape or glass or whatever.
Wow.
I clearly need.
You need more horsepower. I'm going to stop the tape here. All right, take two.
Take two. Here we go. That's unbelievable.
Okay, we're going to see if the third time's a charm.
Yeah, I'm holding back a little bit. I'm standing next to.
Yeah, you just don't want to be that close. Sure.
Okay, here we go. This time.
All right.
Sure. You ready?
Yep.
Good. Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, it's tempered glass. I didn't know that. That's why it's so tough.
Oh, so we didn't need to tape it, huh?
Not really.
There we go. Now we've got a broken window.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. At least I don't think our tape did that. I think it's.
Oh, maybe it did.
No way. Wow.